Hi everyone! Welcome back to English Fab, where learning English is practical, useful and fab. Technology is a huge part of our daily lives, from using smartphones and laptops to browsing the internet and streaming content. But when it comes to discussing tech in English, many learners struggle with the right vocabulary. Whether it's talking about devices, software, troubleshooting issues, or emerging technologies, having the right words will help you communicate clearly and confidently. That's why in today's lesson, we're going to cover essential technology vocabulary, following the structure from our English Fab website. We'll go through key tech-related terms, including devices, software, internet networking, and tech features, so you can talk about technology like a pro. Now, let's get started. Let's go over some essential vocabulary related to technology. In this section, we'll cover key tech-related vocabulary, including devices, software, internet terms, and emerging technologies. Let's get started. 1. Devices. Technology is all around us, and we use different devices every day. Here are some of the most common ones. A smartphone is a mobile device that combines calling, internet browsing, and apps in one. A laptop is a portable computer used for work, study, and entertainment. A tablet is a touchscreen device, larger than a smartphone but smaller than a laptop. A smartwatch is a wearable device that connects to your phone and tracks fitness, notifications, and more. A desktop computer is a non-portable computer used in offices and homes. A gaming console is designed for playing video games, like PlayStation or Xbox. An e-reader is a digital device for reading books and magazines. A router connects devices to the internet wirelessly. A drone is a flying device controlled remotely, often used for photography and surveillance. A 3D printer creates three-dimensional objects using digital designs. A smart TV connects to the internet and allows streaming services. A Bluetooth speaker is a wireless speaker that connects to devices via Bluetooth. 2. Software and apps. Technology wouldn't function without software. Let's look at some common terms. An operating system, OS, is the software that manages a computer, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. A browser is a program like Chrome or Safari used for accessing the internet. Cloud storage allows users to save files online rather than on their devices. Antivirus software protects computers from viruses and malware. A productivity app helps users organize tasks like Microsoft Office or Google Docs. A social media platform is an online service for connecting with others, such as Facebook or Instagram. A CRM system helps businesses manage customer relationships. Graphic design software is used to create images and visuals like Adobe Photoshop. Video editing software allows users to edit and produce videos. A coding IDE is an environment for writing and testing code, such as Visual Studio Code. A collaboration tool helps teams work together remotely, like Slack or Trello. 3. Tech actions. Using technology involves different actions. Here are some important ones. To download means to save files from the internet to your device. To upload is to send files from your device to the internet. To update means to install the latest version of software. To install is to set up a program or app on a device. To troubleshoot means to find and fix problems in a system or device. To reboot means to restart a computer or device. To sync means to connect and update data across multiple devices. To encrypt means to protect data by converting it into a secure code. To stream means to watch or listen to media in real time without downloading. To back up means to create a copy of important data for safety. To debug is to find and fix errors in code. To code is to write programming instructions for software and applications. 4. Tech features. Many devices have advanced features that improve user experience. Here are some key ones. A touchscreen allows users to control devices by touching the screen. A voice assistant responds to voice commands like Siri or Alexa. Wireless technology enables devices to connect without cables. Encryption protects data by making it unreadable without authorization. A biometric scanner identifies people using fingerprints or facial recognition. Virtual reality, VR, creates a computer-generated 3D environment. Augmented reality, AR, overlays digital images onto the real world. Gesture control allows users to control devices with hand movements. Haptic feedback provides vibrations or touch sensations in response to user actions. Facial recognition identifies users based on their facial features. A dual-screen device has two displays for multitasking. 5. Networking and Internet. Internet connectivity is essential for modern technology. Here are some important terms. Wi-Fi is a wireless internet connection. A hotspot is a location where wireless internet is available. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted over the internet. An IP address is a unique identifier for devices connected to the internet. A VPN, virtual private network, secures internet connections and protects privacy. A server is a computer that stores and delivers data to other computers. A firewall protects a computer network from unauthorized access. A domain is a website address, like google.com. A URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is the specific address of a web page. An Ethernet cable connects devices directly to a network. A data center is a facility that stores and manages large amounts of data. Cloud computing allows users to run applications and store files over the internet instead of on physical devices. 6. Emerging technologies. Technology is constantly evolving. Here are some exciting innovations. Blockchain is a secure digital ledger used for transactions. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Artificial intelligence, AI, enables machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence. Machine learning is a type of AI that allows computers to learn from data. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to smart devices connected to the internet. Quantum computing is a powerful computing method that processes data in new ways. Robotics involves machines that can perform tasks automatically. 5G is the next-generation high-speed mobile network. Autonomous vehicles are self-driving cars that use AI and sensors to navigate. Edge computing processes data closer to its source instead of relying on cloud services. 7. Tech accessories. Accessories enhance the functionality of devices. Here are some useful ones. A keyboard is used for typing on a computer. A mouse is a handheld device for controlling a computer. An external hard drive provides additional storage for files. A power bank charges mobile devices on the go. A monitor is a screen used with desktop computers. A webcam is a small camera for video calls and streaming. A microphone is used for recording audio or making calls. A docking station connects multiple devices to a computer. A stylus is a pen-like tool for drawing or writing on touchscreen devices. A USB hub expands the number of USB ports available on a computer. Now that we've learned key vocabulary related to technology, let's see how these words are used in real-life situations. Practicing with example sentences will help you use them naturally in conversations. 1. Devices. Let's start with some sentences about tech devices. I use my laptop for work and my tablet for entertainment. Laptops are great for productivity, while tablets are often used for reading, watching videos, or browsing the web. My new smartwatch tracks my steps and heart rate. Smartwatches are useful for fitness tracking, notifications, and even answering calls. 2. Software and apps. Software and apps make devices functional. Here's how to use these words in sentences. You need to update the browser to access the website. Keeping your browser updated ensures better performance, security, and compatibility with websites. Cloud storage is a lifesaver for backing up important files. Using cloud storage allows users to access their documents from any device without the risk of losing data. 3. Tech actions. Let's look at some common actions related to technology. Remember to install the latest version of the software. Installing updates helps fix bugs and improve security. If the app isn't working, try rebooting your device. Restarting a device is a simple troubleshooting step that can solve many technical issues. 4. Tech features. Modern technology comes with various features. Here's how to talk about them. The phone's touchscreen is highly responsive. A good touchscreen responds quickly to taps and gestures, making it easier to use. I use a VPN to browse safely on public Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, protecting your data from hackers when using public networks. 5. Networking and Internet. Internet and network-related terms are important for online connectivity. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, but the bandwidth is limited. Bandwidth determines how fast internet speeds are, especially when multiple users are connected. The server is down, so the website isn't accessible. When a server is down, websites or online services become temporarily unavailable. Well done today! You've learned essential technology vocabulary that will help you talk about devices, software, internet connections, and emerging tech with confidence. Whether you're discussing the latest gadgets, troubleshooting a tech issue, or simply explaining how something works, using the right words will make your conversations much clearer. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Try using these words when talking about technology with friends, reading tech news, or even explaining a tech-related process in English. The more you use these terms, the more natural they'll feel. Okay, thanks for watching today's lesson on English Fab. I hope you found these English tips useful and feel more confident. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Fab English lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and stay Fab.